Can I come? Oh, sorry, the sun's
I just
right
adjusted and
That's what's nice and blended in. You've done really well there. Maybe a fraction too high at the back. Yeah, but yeah, well done. Well done.
it was something else that I wanted to do, but I didn't cut it enough, so it's very long.
It's
so
a
I
longer
just
version,
went
but it's still really
right
good. It's got a bit of a Bee
And the
Gees vibe going on,
texture.
isn't it? So it could do, but
So
yeah,
it's kind
Late
of like,
60s.
you know, the,
this is really cool.
So
yeah, that was supposed to be like nice sleek
Yeah.
wave.
So you could have,
But
when you put your curl in, you could have really brushed it out, not been frightened. When you put a curl in there, don't be frightened to give it a good hard brush afterwards, and you'll be surprised how smooth that becomes. So don't be frightened of brushing the curl out; it won't go anywhere.
Yeah.
One thing I did notice you did your curl in, and then you damped the back of your hair down.
Yes, because I kind of like, I tried to use coconut with water to kind of like not have like so much product. Just like trying to sleep that down, but yeah.
Don't spray the hair after you've put heat on it, because all you do is damp it somewhere else and you're gonna have problems.
Yeah.
So my suggestion would be, if you want pomade a little bit liquid, a little less strong, put it in your hand, spray your hand, and then work it into the hair.
Cool.
So, all right.
Yeah.
Well done.
I just did what I pictured 50s to be like,
Yep.
and I really wanted to do like a DA in the back.
Yep. DA is good. Nice. DA looks really, really nice.
So